Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Darlene. So today I'm going to be doing an updated review on these Beetles gel polish nails. I actually have a full on review of me applying them, everything, and I will link that video down in the description box below. But after wearing these, I would definitely not recommend these. The nails were super flimsy. The glue did not stick very well. I had nails popping off. I usually just use like press-on nails like this that you get at like Walmart. And these ones, I don't have any issues with for the most part. This set right here is a little flimsy as well. Not as flimsy as these were. And they sometimes crack. But for the majority of them, I have no issues whatsoever with them. These ones, within the first couple hours, I had one, I think it was this nail, completely split in half. And I had to get some of the gel polish. I got some tissue paper and I had to apply it underneath and seal it just to get it a little thicker, and because I couldn't just like rip the nail off. So it was really frustrating, and my nails only last like a week, and normally like with these I can get them to last 2 weeks easily, if not longer than that. So I don't have issues with just like the press-on nails. And I thought that this was going to be better, but I would not waste my money because $20 is not, like, it's not expensive, but it's also not cheap for something that doesn't work really well. The nails were just like super flimsy, like you could barely touch them and then bend it all the way down. That's how flimsy those were. And as you can see, even with these, and these aren't the greatest, they give a little bend, but not like the other ones. Let me see where I put those. I'm gonna kind of show you. Okay, so these are the nails that came with it, and they are just so, they're flimsy, super flimsy. You see? That's the inner part, but they were like splitting even up here. And I did cut them down when I applied them, because I mean, that's a really long nail compared to like this, what I'm used to. You see the difference. But I think even if I didn't cut them down, that's the reason why I cut them down, because they were so flimsy. I was like, well, maybe if I cut them down, they're less likely to break or break my whole nail off. And they were not. And then with the gel polish, like the adhesive for this, the lamp works good, but I wouldn't spend $20 on just a single lamp, just because I mean, that's a lot of money. You can get these that's for the whole hand for less than that, if not the same price, and that one only does one nail at a time. But for the gel glue, like I said, I had 2 nails lift off the first week, and I had to keep reapplying them, and then I just got sick of it. So when I would reapply them, I just used regular glue. I just used the Kiss glue that you get at Walmart, the extra strength. That's what I used on these, and I have no issues with them coming off whatsoever. I mean, they are on and good to go. So I would recommend rather using nail glue rather than the gel glue. But this is the only one that I've tried so far, so I don't know if all are like this, but it kind of scared to purchase anymore, just because, I mean, this was $20 down the drain. So I just thought I would update this video to let you guys know, like, I wouldn't purchase this personally. I don't think it's worth your money, and I think it's honestly just a waste of money. And yeah, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell down in the corner below. That way you'll be notified every time that I do upload a video. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye, God bless.